AI, with a promising future and sky-high salaries, is globally recognized as the rising star of the future. Data indicates that AI will create over 133 million new job positions. Artificial intelligence is poised to usher in a new industrial revolution. The future trends of AI generation have prompted many prestigious American universities to introduce brand new programs in AI applications. AI is sure to influence your competitive edge in the job market. Let's take a look at the top 1 to 5 rankings of the top 26 undergraduate AI programs in the United States.
Carnegie Mellon University, CMU, located in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, is ranked first among the top 26 undergraduate AI programs in the United States. It is currently ranked 24th in the overall U.S. News National University rankings. CMU is renowned for its computer science program, which is ranked first in the United States. In particular, it excels in the field of artificial intelligence and robotics technology, making it a hub for AI. CMU boasts the highest number of AI professors and was among the first universities to offer an undergraduate AI program. The tuition fee is $63,829, and the admission rate is 11%. Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, located in Cambridge, Massachusetts, is ranked second among the top 26 undergraduate AI programs in the United States. And MIT is ranked second in the United States according to the U.S. News National University rankings. MIT is closely intertwined with the development of the digital age and excels in all computer-related fields. They have a strong commitment to developing information technology for computer systems, radar, and navigation. AI is also a significant focus of their development, and even household robots like Roombas have roots in this institution. Tuition costs $60,156, and the admission rate is 4%. Stanford University, located in California near Silicon Valley, is ranked third among the top 26 undergraduate AI programs in the United States. And it is also ranked third in the U.S. News National University rankings. Stanford is the home of the National Accelerator Laboratory and specializes in research related to the Internet for various programs and agencies. Stanford University has a long-standing commitment to the development of high technology. Their alumni have founded numerous renowned high-tech network companies such as Google, Yahoo, HP, Cisco, Sun Microsystems, TSMC, NVIDIA, and more. Their dedication to developing AI programs is also evident. Tuition costs $62,484, and the admission rate is 4%. The University of California, Berkeley, UCB, is ranked fourth among the top 26 undergraduate AI programs in the United States. Located in San Francisco, California, UCB is ranked 15th according to U.S. News. In many global authoritative rankings, Berkeley has consistently been ranked in the top 10 worldwide. It's a prestigious institution with 110 Nobel laureates and is considered the first choice of public U.S. university by many students. Berkeley maintains close connections with the U.S. Department of Energy, national laboratories, and scientific research institutes. Naturally, both the computer engineering and the College of Letters and Science at Berkeley are among the best. For out-of-state students, tuition is $48,465, and the admission rate is 10%. The University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, located in Illinois, United States, is ranked 5th among the top 26 undergraduate AI programs in the United States, and it is ranked 35, according to U.S. News National University rankings. The University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign is known for its College of Engineering, which serves as the core of the university's research activities. Within their College of Engineering, they have 26 research centers and are home to 10 laboratories, which include a National Supercomputer Application Center. In the past year, they have risen to the 5th position in the rankings, surpassing Cornell and the Georgia Institute of Technology from their previous 7th position. This demonstrates their dedication to the development of AI. Tuition is $36,068, and the admission rate is 45%. Additionally, we have listed the top 25 U.S. AI program universities for the reference of interested parents and students. Please see below. Top-tier universities in the United States are highly attuned to the search for the boundless future of AI. AI, artificial intelligence, is a field that combines computation, science, technology, and applications. AI is closely related to humanity, drawing from various disciplines including computer science, engineering, cognitive psychology, sociology, and ergonomics. New courses in various user interfaces are constantly emerging, including those in art and healthcare. Undoubtedly, AI is the major trend.
The history of AI dates back to 1950, when Alan Turing wrote a paper on the possibility of achieving artificial intelligence with machine intelligence. Since then, AI truly started to enter the market in 2010, but was initially applied primarily in areas like big data analysis, AlphaGo, playing Go, facial recognition, and robotic vacuum cleaners. However, during the global pandemic, AI applications made significant advancements. The most notable of these is generative AI. Generative AI can take commands and generate entirely new content. This technology is now frequently used in article generation, script writing, photo editing, video editing, and even robot voice simulations, among other applications, which has garnered significant attention. These developments have renewed expectations and planning for the potential of AI. When it comes to generative AI, we must mention ChatGPT, this globally popular application. This generative AI has rapidly gained worldwide fame and is unstoppable. Soon, Microsoft announced that they are going to integrate the upgraded version of ChatGPT GPT-4 into their corporate and daily operations. Besides ChatGPT, if you've ever tried AI software like InVideo AI, CapCut, Canvas, they are impressive. You can simply input a basic image into their interface, and they can help you write a humorous article. Some of them can even create a cool video that can be uploaded directly. Let's talk about the employment prospects in AI. It's projected that by 2025, the AI market will reach a size of $64 trillion, which is almost equivalent to the GDP of a superpower. AI's applications extend beyond just personal homes and include areas such as smart finance, healthcare, intelligent education, search game theory, language and image processing, autonomous driving, and virtual reality. It is believed that many companies are actively seeking talent in AI-related fields. According to estimates from human resources companies, AI jobs offer a median annual salary of $147,000 in the United States. For entry-level positions, it's around $115,000. With experience, it's relatively easy to achieve an annual salary exceeding $200,000. People are not only concerned about artificial intelligence, but also about the possibility that AI, under continuous optimization, might one day develop self-awareness. There's also the concern of whether AI will replace human jobs. Furthermore, the most worrisome aspect is human ethics. Will people misuse AI for unethical purposes? This is also a cause for concern. However, I'm not an expert, and I believe that while it's important to consider these questions, it doesn't change the reality. I can only focus on learning how to apply AI effectively to help me with my work. AI is a double-edged sword. When used wisely and effectively, it can make significant contributions to society. But if misused, it has the potential to disrupt our existing way of life. Regardless of whether you are preparing to learn AI or have already entered the field, it's essential to make the most of AI. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to me, and it motivates me to create more content like this. If you have any questions or would like to share your thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to respond to all your queries and engage with your comments. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.